Today we're making magic frequency raising powder. I'm making this video because I discovered that there are spices out there that are very, very powerful. I was studying high vibratory diet, which is basically least amount of meat as possible and fresh, organic vegetables and fruit. But then I found out you can be even healthier. And that was these spices that kept on showing up on my Facebook stream. So as a part of a high vibratory diet, I include this in my diet now for over 2 years. So all these spices are anti-aging, anti-cancer, anti-disease, anti-inflammatory, super healthy for you. It can prevent or even cure cancer. This is not my opinion. This is I'm gonna leave links below this video so you can check it out yourself. So I said, why don't I make a recipe with all these spices in one? So all I have to do is take 1 scoop of this stuff pre-mixed for you. So you just take 1 scoop a day. Make it easy and simple. That's what you gotta do in life. You gotta make things easy and simple on yourself so you do them. If you make them hard and complicated, you're gonna quit. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe, even though everything I'm saying in this video is based on scientific studies, which I'm going to actually leave underneath this video as references. I'm no expert, and always ask your doctor if this type of stuff is safe for you. We got moringa. We got turmeric. We got cinnamon. We got wheatgrass. We have spirulina, and we have a T-Rex. Scratch that T-Rex. Let's get started. Here you got your cinnamon, moringa, wheatgrass, spirulina. And those are already weighed out for the recipe. So now I'm gonna use this bowl and we're gonna weigh the last ingredient, which is the turmeric powder, organic turmeric powder. So we're just gonna cut this like this, and we need actually 300 grams of this. I'm doing it exactly like the recipe. All right, let's weigh this out. 300. Got 270, let's keep going. Oh, a little too much. Doesn't really matter, but what the hell? If you put too much, just take a spoon. There you go. Now you have 300 grams. And then what you do next is you do this. The one that you spilled, you just put it in the bowl. Okay, then what you do next is, we don't need the scale anymore. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix everything together. Okay, so first we're gonna put in the turmeric and just add everything slowly, because it's, you know, dusty. It's very dusty, so you don't want to, like, you got to be careful. And then this, and there you go. That is okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it all together. And I'm going to get just a big spoon like this. Okay, so then you mix it together very slowly, because you don't want, if you're not careful, it's gonna make powder and it's gonna go in the air, and you might breathe in some, and you're gonna sneeze and cough. And as you can see all the colors, aren't they beautiful? I feel like I should get my own cooking show. All right, so you mix it in gently, so you know it doesn't go in the air too much. Got to be careful. It is kind of messy. I mean, you got to be careful because it could get messy. So basically, what you do is you keep mixing it until it turns into a new color, until you don't see the yellowish, or until you don't see the yellow of the turmeric anymore, you know. So everything's blended in. Just keep doing that. And there you have it. Magic frequency raising powder is ready. Alright, so how do you take this powder? What do you do with it once you got it, right? Well, I like putting it in my favorite protein shake. You take one of these, like that, and in it goes, and shake it up. And to store it, just get yourself a container with a lid, and then you could store it in these things. You know, this won't all fit in here, so what I'll do is I'll have two of these, and one of them I keep in the fridge with the lid closed, and the other, you know, I just keep it on my counter with the lid closed, because I take this every day. Twice a day I take this. And there you have it. If this video resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy your new drink. Oh, one thing though. When you use this powder, never drink from this side of the glass. Always drink from this side. Because if you drink from this side of the glass, you're not going to get healthier.